Hey, Matt Morris here, and I just came across something stunning. A couple from California just dug up $10 million worth of rare gold coins from the mid 1800s. Remember this, these are rare gold coins. In a similar manner, I've discovered one tiny gold miner stock that I believe is poised to jump much higher than other mining stocks. This tiny gold stock could be the huge difference maker you need for your portfolio this year. And unlike this abandoned stash of gold coins that was recently discovered, this abandoned stash of treasure type stock is still unknown to most investors. I'll share exactly why this junior gold miner stock is poised to explode higher from current prices in just a minute. And I want to personally lead you straight to it right here in this very short video. Are you ready? Alright, grab your metal detector and let's go. So is it safe for me to assume you'd be wanting to see how you can potentially score a 2, 3, or maybe even 10 or 20 bagger type gain with limited risk in just a few weeks or days from right now? And no, I'm not talking about some pump and dump stock. You may have learned your lesson the hard way on those already. Yet I am talking about one way to ride the big surge in gold prices that is starting right now that could bring some big time profits your way. So I've dubbed this as my buried treasure stock pick. Now, I'm guessing you'd like to see more details on this stock. So I'll share some juicy tells or details on this stock with you right here in this very short video, so sit tight. Most people know me as the personality behind the popular pump and up free buy and sell alert newsletter, Microcap Millionaires. Working hard each day and night to provide my subscribers with profitable stock picks has proven to be a very rewarding experience for me, especially when I get emails and testimonials like this from members of the Microcap Millionaires family. And here's another one. And one more. In addition to my subscribers' success, people just like you, I've also enjoyed some tremendous gains since I started this newsletter way back in 2008. So now that you know me a little better and can see that my trading history plus feedback from my current subscribers proves that I do indeed know how to mine for winning trades, let me tell you about just one stock that has all the right tells that point to an exciting move very soon. By tell, I mean a specific piece of information pertaining to a stock that in many cases is a sign of a substantial gain to be had in the near future. Much the same way that big money poker players learn to place winning six-figure bets when they identify tells at the poker table. Are you with me? Now, after we discuss this stock, I'll have a special time-sensitive offer for you that puts you in the driver's seat on how to capitalize on this buried treasure stock pick. Okay, you ready? All right, you might want to write some of this down. The biggest by market capitalization and most successful gold miner in the world has their top producing gold mine right next door to a massive gold mining property that my buried treasure company has recently secured the rights to. They are poised to start mining this ultra-lucrative plot of land in the very near future. Important, this property has been given the coveted high-grade zone mining status. This means that every ounce can be mined for as little as $500 in overhead, which translates into a 100% ROI for miners who operate in this mine. That's a pretty darn good profit margin, don't you think? Especially since most gold miners do nothing but lose money year after year. So, in case you missed it, the tells you look for with junior miners are 1. Fully permitted access to new mines that are in close proximity to other mines with proven results, and secondly, realistic speculation that high-grade gold is in these mines since it is the most profitable type. Think of it this way. Remember the story of the couple who found the abandoned stash of rare gold coins from the 1800s in their backyard? Well, high-grade gold is similarly a very rare and profitable find for gold miners. And according to my research, my buried treasure gold miner pick could be on the verge of mining truckloads of this high-grade gold, which may cause the stock to accelerate in price very quickly. Now, if my buried treasure gold miner stock were to reach just half the market capitalization of the gold miner that they're going to be rubbing elbows with, which in my opinion isn't that big of a stretch considering how much high-grade gold has been and is still being mined out of this area in northern Ontario, we could very well have a 20-bagger type stock pick on our hands here. 20 bagger. Let that sink in for a second. That's the type of stock that turns 200 into 2,000, 2,000 into 20,000, or 20,000 into 200 grand. You get the picture, right? It wouldn't be the first time it happened either. See, a few years back, one microcap junior miner, Aurelian Resources Incorporated, made a similar high-grade gold discovery in Ecuador. Shares then screamed higher from under $1 per share to almost $40 per share. And you can see how quickly that happened on the chart on the slide. Yet, it's not all about the money though, right? How about the potential to become the financial hero to your family that you know you have the potential to be? That would be nothing short of awesome, right? We'll talk about how we can quickly propel you to hero status before I cap off this short video. Yet first, I need to admit something to you. I know you could probably go do a few hours of research and find my buried treasure stock pick on your own. Yet I want to offer you my full analysis on this stock, complete with my trading strategy and my exit zone. So there's absolutely no guesswork on your part. You'll know exactly how I recommend taking this trade, not just the ticker symbol. And this isn't something you have to wait 3 or 4 days for in the mail, because you'll get instant access to a done-for-you trading plan on this buried treasure gold miner pick, even if you're watching this video at 3 o'clock in the morning. For a one-time mini investment of $199? No, not $99. Heck, not even $29. For a one-time mini investment of just $5, you get instant access to the buried treasure stock pick report. Yep, about what it costs you to pick up a value meal from Mickey D's gets you instant access to this report that could help bring life-changing, fist-pumping profits your way in a relatively short period of time. I promise to keep this video brief, so I'm going to end it in just a few seconds. Yet, you might be thinking, why so cheap, Matt? My answer? Well, in addition to being passionate about microcap stock trading, I am also extremely passionate about my business. So, by purchasing this report, I hope to win you over as a subscriber to my Buy and Sell Alert newsletter, Microcap Millionaires. So, to be transparent, I want to let you know you will see a one-time chance to become a member of the Microcap Millionaires family after you click the Buy Now button below and complete the secure order form. This offer to join the newsletter will include a bonus package that you may think I'm a bit crazy for offering. The choice is yours for that one-time offer, but know that I reserve the right to pull down this bonus offer once the time window to join me on this buried treasure stock pick passes. So what I mean by that is once the stock starts shooting higher, it'll make no sense to offer this report anymore because then people will be chasing the stock higher. So to take advantage of this truly unique offer for a complete done-for-you trading plan on a stock that has tremendous potential this year and beyond, simply click the Buy Now button below to complete the secure order form. You'll see me on the other side. Thanks for watching. This is Matt. Are you still here? Well, maybe you're skeptical because you're no stranger to mining stocks yourself, and you're feeling good about the mining stocks you found on your own. Well, I think it's awesome if you're piling up profits in gold stocks yourself. Yet, I wonder if you are positioned in any junior miners that have exposure to the most prolific gold mine in the world, where high-grade gold is consistently pulled out of the ground. As I mentioned a minute ago, junior miners with exposure to high-grade gold can see explosive moves to the upside like you see in this chart here. I would hate for you to miss out on this stock. And you probably don't want to risk missing out on a potential 20 bagger either, right? A mini investment of just $5 gets you in the door. So click the Buy Now button below to claim instant access to your buried treasure miner report. Or on the other hand, maybe you're a newbie to stocks. No worries. I do my best to keep everything understandable and in plain English. Remember, just $5 gets you started towards being a successful microcap trader even if you have zero experience. So click the Buy Now button below, complete the secure order form, and you'll immediately see me on the very next page, and we'll get started together.